Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade with honey. To begin, you will need a few simple ingredients and tools. First, gather about 6 to 8 fresh, ripe lemons, 1 cup of raw honey, and 3 to 4 cups of filtered water. You will also need a sturdy pitcher, a juicer, and a measuring cup to ensure precise proportions for the perfect blend. The secret to perfectly blended honey lemonade is creating a simple syrup first. In a small saucepan or heat-safe bowl, combine 1 cup of raw honey with 1 cup of hot, not boiling, filtered water. Stir continuously until the honey is completely dissolved, forming a smooth, consistent syrup. This step ensures the honey integrates beautifully without clumping in your cold lemonade. Now it is time to extract that wonderful lemon flavor. Using a juicer, squeeze approximately 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons until you have about 1 1/2 cups of fresh lemon juice. Pour this vibrant juice into your large pitcher. Then, add the prepared honey simple syrup and 3 cups of very cold filtered water, ensuring everything is ready for the final mix. With all ingredients combined, give your lemonade a good, thorough stir to ensure all the flavors are perfectly integrated. Now for the best part, taste it. Adjust the sweetness by adding a little more honey syrup or increase the tartness with a splash more lemon juice. Chill your delicious honey lemonade for at least 30 minutes, then serve it over ice with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.